Here we have this great unique Land Rover Defender. It has a 3.5 turbo diesel engine. It'll easily sit at around 75-80 miles an hour, no problem. Also coupled with a 4-speed automatic gearbox with the low to high gears. At the front we have a remote winch. The side now, this vehicle has been raised a little to support its off-road use. We have bigger tyres to help it with off-road. We have a side step on both sides and also the rear of the vehicle to help get in and out. Towards we have the rear loading door with 8 seats in the back. Great as a gun vehicle. All tyres are great. So it's very unique as a rear tilting cab. I'll show you now. Easily done with a flick of a switch. You can see the chassis is in great condition. It's done it's around 186,000 miles. It's nothing for one of these really. It will come with a 12 months MOT too. There's no VAT, so it's 15 grand. Thank you.